We're back again. We can finally film the intro properly. You excited? This time we're doing kayaking. On some random person's boat. That's the board.
We're going to fall in, realise.
Yeah, probably. Oh man.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on. Okay, we're off. You ready? How far do you want to go? London or?
I'm thinking France.
Oh, I like. Okay, we're on the water. You're going on my head. Where are we going? France. Is France this way? No.
Si.
Downstream. We're going Oxford. Oxford and then France. I'm about to help. I'm about to be big help. Is it looking good?
That's so sexy.
Sweet. Let's go.
All around me are familiar faces.
Oh yeah.
By the way, did you notice the guy?
Look at them, loving life. You know you're helping me, right?
I know. This is what.
Okay, don't crash.
No.
Bro, this is where I got the massive bruise.
Bro, look at my. Oh, it's gone.
Bro, look at my leg. Oh, it looks great.
How are we going to get out of this?
Oh, now that's hot. Oh my god, imagine both of us jump in, we swim to here, right, because we're drunk. Problem is, I really need a piss.
Just do it.
I can't do it now. Look a bit of it. Imagine we don't jump in, I just go back. Sorry, mummy.
If you do, I'll do it.
Oh, what's wrong with you? Not in my shorts.
Are you actually jumping in?
Yeah. You're not? You're actually not?
I don't want to.
Why?
Why?
I don't know why.
It's cold.
Oh, it was cold last time, but it was nice.
No, it wasn't. It was hot.
Bro, come on, I got you shorts and a shirt. Just jump in once. We've got an hour. Fuck do you want to do?
Apple.
You ready to jump in? We're in our exact same spot because it's famous and we know it's really shallow there. So obviously it's only us two now. Selena's back on dry land like a sensible person. So we're going to jump in here and hopefully the kayak doesn't just float away and we'll be stranded and drowning. You ready?
Always ready.
Make sure it doesn't actually go into the reeds, you know?
Did somebody say weed?
You know, I like to stay here.
Do some pull-ups.
Well, isn't it easier with a boat?
Bro, I'm not even lying, but you look very hench right now.
I'm trying to pee, but I think it's coming out.
You've just ruined the
It's coming
henchness.
out as a number 2. Oh. Ooh, it's warm. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. No, followed through. Help me! I don't want to go too low because I think I'll float under the boat. Oh, should I do it shirtless?
Yes.
That way it looks like a six
See if you can take off your t-shirt without getting back into the boat.
Oh, yeah. Does it look like...
Oh my god, you're actually going to do it?
Oh, it hurts my stomach. Okay. I can't. It's stuck. Get it. All right. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Push-ups with height hazard. Oh, your face. Oh. Your face. Wait, I gotta film this for myself.
Bro, I have never seen you look so buff as you did just
It
then.
hurts so much. I think it's actually breaking my six-pack. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait. I don't know if I recorded.
Oh, for God's sake, this is...
I did.
You're
I
ruining
did
it.
record.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
How many do I have to do?
Was it 50, did you say?
Bro, imagine snowy games, water games.
But in the snow... Imagine if it was snowing on the river.
That'd be horrible.
Oh, it would be amazing.
Close up of these monstrosities.
Look how hairy they are.
Oh, it's not. What is this? It's weird. What is the? No. Jump in or coward. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you didn't look as slick as I did.
Oh, Jesus.
It looks like you're dribbling. Oh. Although, bro, you got a leaf stuck to you. Oh, problem is you can't see your epic six-pack like me.
This was a terrible idea. It feels awful.
Bro. Why are you pissing out? Why are you pissing out your shorts? Filth. Filth. Ready?
Wait. Oh, that. Wait. Oh, you're gonna like that one.
Bro, am I though? I'm freezing. Oh. Can you stand?
No.
Oh, how's there another ant on me? Bro, why are you right in the weeds? What are you doing? Oh, it's a wash. Come on.
That was actually really nice, that one.
Come on. Well, we've only got 15 minutes left.
We're gonna stay out here for 3 more hours.
Oh, stop it.
Until we have enough footage. Get out! Oh. You better not be recording.
I am.
Just don't make me
Look how ugly I look.
No, you look amazing. You always look amazing.
Yeah, I get it. Okay, right. Ready?
What do you want me to do?
Nothing.
Can I push you in?
No. Can you actually jump in though?
My wrists hurt.
Oh, it's so cold.
It's not. I mean,
Bro, it is fucking freezing.
It isn't.
It is.
Bro, it's a monster of the Black Lagoon.
Oh.
Bro, what's he doing?
Ooh. 1, 2. Like how you're holding up like a mirror. I look great. See, and look, you can easily get back in.
How do I? Oh, geez, I don't want to see myself. I have to do it like that. Oh, we need to get over.
Yeah, I'm standing up here. It's not great. I just want to have a swim. I'll swim around the boat.
John.
Wait, try and get under the boat. What are you doing? Trying to. Wait, give it up. Give it. A GoPro nearly fell away.
I'm almost 100% sure I didn't record any.
None of it.
Wait, it kept stopping.
Stopping.
No, I've got good stuff.
Bro, it's 5 seconds long.
Oh god!
You're such a twat.
I kept trying to zoom in, but it's
Why?
Okay, wait. Okay. Oh my god! It's.
I'm just shut up. I want to lean back. Don't let go. You're gonna let go. Oh, I'm going for a swim.
Okay, that's pretty cool. No lie. You're actually a good swimmer.
Bro, I'm a great swimmer. I'm gonna swim the Thames. Oh, kill me.
Bro, I am impressed. Oh, the oar.
Where is it?
Oh, is he going to be able to get it? Can you go and get it?
To get it. I don't care. Have your shitty oar. Why are we facing the wrong way?
Oh god, this is a wash.
Okay, right. Let's go out. Are they having like a fucking boating party? Christ. You don't know how to paddle. Paddle! I'm getting a bit cold, mate. Why are you paddling backwards?
You want from me?
Paddle that way.
Why are we going towards the wind?
I want to get away from them.
What's wrong with them?
Look how fast he's going.
Oh, if that was a rowboat, we should have gone to the rowboat place.
What are you talking about? It's a one-person speedmobile.
How are you steering us?
Do it more. Do it more.
I thought that I was steering us more than you.
You're like, I'm going fast. We just end up over there.
Alright.
Well,
Oh, of course. I am steering us more because we're going around.
no, we're not.
Of course, that was my fault.
No. What are you talking about? You paddle that side, meaning we would end up that way. I'm paddling here, so we're turning this way. You're just weak.
How have you managed to do that? Paddling contest right now. 3, 2, 1.
Bro, we're going in up and out of the way.
NANI? Am I doing halfway or something?
You're doing slightly. Bro, okay, come on. I'm gonna stop.
What is going on?
I'm gonna stop.
I think I've had enough. I think I'm gonna have a nap.
What? Alright, come on. Look, let's go. We'll drift over there, right? We'll have one more jump in, do a bit of vlog. What are you doing?
Wow, okay, that really works.
Put your thing in.
That could get us really fast if you did like a long way.
Dude. Oh, fuck me. Shit. Alright, well that was a disaster. What? Did you say? Doesn't that feel good?
Very good.
What are you doing? To be fair, not even a bad shot. It's now or never. Do you want to film?
Yeah.
Do it properly. One.
Any last words?
Geronimo? Bro, I went all in by that.
What happened? Wait, did I actually get that?
Oh my god. How could you not record it?
It stopped recording when I picked it up. It was recording the whole time. You're gonna have to do it again if you want to get the clip.
Is hold it.
And crash into the weeds.
Oh, shut up.
You know, some would say that we're drug addicts because we keep getting close to the weeds.
I don't want to look like a drug addict. Makes drug jokes the whole time. Is that gonna zoom me in?
Yeah, because I can't zoom in manually.
Bro, I cut myself.
Bro, emo.
What?
How? How did...
I
In
can't-
water?
It's hard, man. It hurts.
It's hard water, that's lime scale for
Okay,
you.
right. Jumping again. Sit down to record. You recording?
Yes.
I've got a GoPro, no matter what. Why am I jumping in? So cold, I just want to go. Okay. So,
Any last words?
oh, shut up. I'm just jumping in. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. We're back on the river. Is that it?
Because we
We've
love
been
it.
doing it for an hour. We're so cold.
Any last words?
I'm not going to cannonball. Get moved back. Stop trying to zoom in. You're trying to be cool.
I'm trying to get a good angle. Geronimo! Oh. Wow.
I always forget it goes up the nose.
How would you rate that experience, Harry? I think you liked it. Do you want to burn me?
Honestly? No.
Yeah, me neither. Nobody does, that's my problem.